Hello YouTube, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some new 2023 Hot Wheels. Today we have the 2023 Spring Set. And yes, I know it's summertime, but I just only completed this set so I can unbox it on video for you guys. I just finished the set with these two, and I collected these along the way, but now we have all 5 in the set. Number 1 being the Volkswagen Caddy. Let's crack this one open first. We're going to give a nice thorough review of all of them. Volkswagen Caddy. This is a pickup truck. Number 1 of 5. And there's the card art there with the Mustang and the Wrangler. As you can see, these two right here. This is a nice baby blue color. And these were at... Picked these up at a Macy's. And like, there's a Toys R Us section. And I'm like, oh, I didn't know those were still around. Yeah, $1.25. These were 10% off, and then you include tax. So I got them realistically $1.20 a piece. Not too bad. Let's crack it open. There we go. Nice blue Volkswagen Caddy with the white Phil Reelman 5-spokes, spinning very well. Then we have a purple interior, nice colors on these spring cars. It has a nice spring logo right on the door, and then some purple, darker purple, and an orange and white. Some more dark purple up there, little pinstripe. Spring 23. There you guys go. Purple interior, driving's on the left. There's a sunroof, kind of a roll cage looking like that. Volkswagen logo on the front, exposed intercooler, and a very nice pickup truck. I don't know too much about these. I've never seen one in real life. I think maybe they exist in Europe or something, these Volkswagen Caddies, but I'd have to look it up. There you go. 2-door pickup truck. Doesn't look like it has too much towing capability because the tow hitch is replaced with the dual exhaust. Volkswagen, nice big letters on the tailgate. And there you go. Nice looking casting. And the base is like a magenta plastic base, 2014 casting copyright, made in Malaysia. Alright, next car is the 69 Camaro Convertible. The wiki says this is matte pink. This is purple. It's purple. Guys, it's purple. 2 of 5. I'll probably have to go change it. And I got this not at Macy's. I got it at a different store, but they weren't that expensive. Sorry about that. I had to edit that out. Kind of the light kind of messed up there. So anyways, here we go. Let's get this out of the packaging. Nice clean open there. This is the 69 Camaro. Beautiful classic muscle car. And the beautiful matte color on this. It's purple, not pink. Got the white. Jeez. Okay. Well, I don't know if you can trust me on the pink, and if I can't get the yellow and white discerned. So yeah, this is an SS apparently, because you can see the SS on the grill right there. Very bad focus there. Okay. 23 on there. Spring circuit, nice checkers, orange and purple. 23. There's the spring set logo. Yellow interior, bright yellow. See on the inside there very clearly. And you got to be careful when you store these not to break the windshield off. And there's the SS right on the grill. There is the other side. Very nice looking Camaro convertible. I have a different color of this in black from 2022, my bad. There you go. And the base is blue and plastic. Let's see. We have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler in white. They made a treasure hunt of this last year. Wasn't able to find that. This is number 3 of 5. There's the back of the packaging. Get it open. A nice clean open there. The bubble just came off. But there we go. Nice big Jeep Wrangler with the big knobby off-road tires. This has a dark teal plastic base. 2017 copyright matte frosty white on this. There's this bare tire in the back. Very cool. Spring, and then the painted doors there. Orange, blue, and purple. 23 purple fenders. There's the front of it there. Orange hood scoop, orange windows, purple interior. There you go. Nice 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Pretty nice. And there's a nice look, big off-road SUV. One of my favorite castings, 65 Ford Mustang Convertible. This is in a nice red color with the white interior, number 4 of 5. Here we go. Get this cracked open. I have a few different colors of this, and this had a cracked blister, so it wasn't too hard to open this one. This one does not have an opening hood. They usually do, but this one doesn't. They stopped making the opening hood in around 2013, I believe. But this is such a nice looking casting. Look at that. Beautiful. Matte red. Very nice frosty red. 23 HW, purple and yellow. Hot Wheels. White 5 spokes. Very nice looking 5 spokes on this. And there's the blue windshield. White interior. Very clean. There is the back, the Mustang back end. There you go. And the front end, very cool looking. This is a yellow plastic base, 1983. This casting was originally released and retooled in 2013. 65 Mustang Convertible. Gonna go in my Plano case with my other ones. All right, last but not least, quite a heavy one, the 52 Chevy. 5 of 5. There you guys go. We're gonna crack this one open and check out this classic Chevy. So I'm noticing right away this has orange Aerodisc wheels, and I get them to spin. Oh yeah, they spin fine. Orange plastic base, 2006 casting copyright, retooled in 2014, I see. Orange grille. This kind of has a banana yellow color, matte banana yellow. There's the logo for Hot Wheels Spring. Looks like a bunny rabbit or something. 23 with the little pinstripes on the fenders. There you go, right there. Not too many pickups you see with a fully metal bed. Sometimes they clip it on and half of it's plastic. But there you go, nice lowered 52 Chevy pickup truck. Very nice. Can't really see too well inside. But there you guys go. That's the 2023 Hot Wheels Spring set. Which one was your favorite? My pick is definitely the Mustang Convertible. And then the convertible Camaro coming after that. Then we got the Caddy, 52 Chevy. Wrangler's my least favorite, but, they're all cool. Nice colors on these. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.